In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and send emails in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a polished campaign, choose the right audience, and send or schedule it with confidence. Start by logging into your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left sidebar, open Campaigns. You can choose Build Your Own or Create Campaign. Both will take you into the campaign creation flow. When prompted for the campaign type, select Email. This opens the setup experience where you'll configure everything from recipients to design and delivery. Next, choose who should receive your campaign by selecting a list or segment. Lists are great for broad sends like newsletters, while segments let you target people based on behavior or traits. Pick the audience that best fits your goal, then continue to the next step. Now it's time to choose your email template. Klaviyo offers recommended options such as weekly update, latest news, or curated content. Click any template to preview how it looks and feels. If it matches your goals and brand, select Use Template. Prefer a clean slate? You can also create your own template to build from scratch. Design your email using the drag and drop editor. Add and arrange blocks like text, image, button, divider, and social links. Customize your headline to set the tone, write concise content that supports a single idea, and finish with a clear call to action button. A good rule of thumb is one core message and one obvious CTA, which helps your readers know exactly what to do next. Before sending, preview your email on both desktop and mobile to make sure spacing, images, and buttons look right across devices. Use Preview and Test to send a test email to yourself. This is the perfect time to check links, proofread copy, and confirm that images display correctly. Then confirm your sending details. Enter a compelling subject line, add preview text that complements it, and set your sender name and sender email. For best deliverability, avoid personal addresses from free providers. Use an email at your own domain. When everything looks good, proceed to sending options. Choose Send Now to deliver immediately or select Schedule to send later. If you schedule, set a fixed send time, pick the date and exact time, and choose the time zone. Sending in each recipient's local time is recommended for higher engagement. If your selected time has already passed in some regions, you can send immediately or shift the send to the following day. That's it. Your campaign is ready to go. Thanks for watching.